Hello, my name is David Jones. I'm a hand surgeon at Orthopedic Institute, and I'm pleased to announce the upcoming Orthopedic Institute Physical Therapy Conference. If you're a physical therapist, we would like to invite you to this conference, which is going to be held April 9th and 10th here in Sioux Falls. There's really three things that we think you would benefit from and reasons that we would love to see you at this upcoming meeting. First is we'll be offering 10 units of continuing education credits. Second is the opportunity to hear what's new in orthopedics and in our practices. I'll be speaking about some of the less common total joint arthroplasties in the upper extremity, elbow, wrist, and hand, things that maybe you don't see as often in your practice. And the third thing, and really the thing that we're most excited about, is just the opportunity to strengthen our relationship with you all. A lot of our practice comes from outside of Sioux Falls, which means that the care either before or after surgery that our patients have is delivered by you. And our goal is to provide as seamless an experience from our office to your practice, and ultimately getting our patients back to doing the things that they love. And the better relationship we have with you, the better care that our patients receive. So we're looking forward to joining with you April 9 and 10 to explore ways that we can provide better care to our patients. And for more information, give us a call or check the link below. Thanks.